Day one of fixing up this old Jimny. Now the seats, they're not water damaged, they're not moldy, they have no mildew, but they are all basically broken. Like the stitching is weathered. The seats are done from the perspective of the stitching. The foam is still really good. The bolstering is really solid. It's got really good foam. This doesn't have any leaks or anything whatsoever. There's no mildew. So what we're going to do, instead of getting new seats, because that would be very expensive to source, 30-year-old Wild Wind seats, at which point you're just getting someone else's 30-year-old Wild Wind seats that they're selling on Yahoo Auctions, we bought some perfectly fitted seat covers. So we got the headrests, which we're not going to use because those headrests are fine. We have the little massaging tool. So you can see in just a few minutes, you're going to be massaging this down. And as it heats up, it'll match the bolsterings and everything will conform to it. A little bit of grease aside from touching the seat rails. That's a seat, and it looks world better than what's in the car. So you can see the differences between the seat cover and the raw. So if the person doesn't want, the beauty about this is that it's reversible. If the person who gets the car doesn't want the seat cover, just take it off. It's Velcro. Now is also a great time to look for rust. And it looks like we are shiny OEM blue everywhere. No moisture on any of the underside. There's no rust on any of the parts, thank God. Just some garbage. Good. Yeah, got really lucky. All right, now for the back. All right, rears are done. All right, well, that didn't take all that long, and already it's looking way better. We're going to put on a steering wheel cover because this one is toast, and if someone wants a new steering wheel, they can just buy a new one, but we're gonna put this one on just in its stead. Looking way nicer. We didn't want to do any pleated argyle textured patterns or anything like that. It's just kind of a no-name regular one just to keep things clean for now. Now, we got to redo a small section of pipe. As you can see, this car is pretty much rust-free. Gas tank's fine, all the suspension's fine. There's barely even a rusty-headed screw. Except for the exhaust, it's rusted to hell. But thankfully, the rust stops right here. All right, there we go. All right, all fixed up. Cut the rust way further down than the rust actually was, and now we have this nice aluminum tip.